Picture this, the first bite into a piece of golden, perfectly fried chicken. The sound alone, a symphony of crunch, echoes in your ears as the craggy, shattering crust gives way beneath your teeth. It's a moment that feels almost cinematic, the kind of experience that makes you close your eyes and savor every second. Inside, the meat is impossibly juicy, tender and full of flavor, with steam rising as you pull it apart. Each bite is a burst of savory goodness that stops you in your tracks, making you pause and appreciate the magic of simple ingredients transformed. This isn't just any chicken, it's the stuff of cravings and legends, the kind of meal that brings people together and sparks stories at the table. It's comfort food at its finest, a dish that's both nostalgic and exciting every single time. But what if you could make this iconic dish at home, crispier, juicier, and more flavorful than anything you've ever picked up at a drive-thru or restaurant? Imagine the pride of serving up a platter of homemade fried chicken that rivals the best you've ever tasted. Today, we're unlocking the secrets to legendary fried chicken, right in your own kitchen. No more guessing, no more settling for soggy takeout, just pure, golden perfection made by you. We'll break down every step, from soaking the chicken in a tangy buttermilk brine that guarantees tenderness, to dredging it in a perfectly seasoned flour mix, and finally, to that glorious, bubbling fry that creates the ultimate crust. You don't need fancy gadgets or restaurant equipment, just a few basic tools, a little patience, and the right know-how. We'll show you how to get it right, every single time. Soon, you'll be the master of your own crispy destiny, confidently frying up chicken that's worthy of applause and second helpings. Get ready to wow your friends and family, turning an ordinary meal into a celebration. There's nothing quite like the joy of sharing homemade fried chicken with the people you love. So let's get started. The journey to fried chicken nirvana begins now, and your kitchen is about to become the happiest place on earth. Every great dish starts with the right ingredients. Before you even turn on the stove, it's important to gather everything you'll need. This not only makes the cooking process smoother, but also ensures you don't miss a single step or flavor. For this classic fried chicken, you'll need a whole chicken broken into pieces, bone in, skin on for maximum flavor and crunch. The bones and skin help keep the meat juicy and tender while also giving you that irresistible crispy coating. For the marinade, reach for buttermilk and an egg. The buttermilk tenderizes the chicken, while the egg helps the coating stick. Add a splash of hot sauce for a subtle kick that wakes up the flavors. The coating is all about layers of flavor. Start with all-purpose flour, then add a generous amount of black pepper for a gentle heat and aroma. Next, sprinkle in paprika for color and warmth, celery salt for a savory note, garlic powder, and onion powder for depth and complexity. Don't forget dried mustard for a tangy bite, salt to enhance every flavor, thyme and oregano for a touch of earthiness, and cayenne for a hint of heat. Each spice adds its own unique character, building a complex, mouth-watering profile that makes every bite memorable. For frying, you'll want a neutral oil with a high smoke point. Peanut or canola oil are perfect choices. Make sure you have enough to fully submerge the chicken pieces for even cooking. As for tools, a heavy pot or Dutch oven is essential for maintaining a steady temperature and preventing splatters. You'll also need sturdy tongs for safe handling, and a kitchen thermometer to keep your oil at the perfect frying temperature. Don't forget a wire rack set over a baking sheet. This is where your chicken will rest after frying, staying crispy and delicious. The wire rack is key. It lets air circulate around the chicken, so the crust stays crunchy instead of getting soggy. With all your ingredients and tools assembled, you're ready to begin. Take a moment to double-check your setup. Organization is the secret to stress-free cooking. Now, let's move to the flavor soak. Pour the buttermilk marinade over your chicken, making sure every piece is coated. This is where the magic begins. The marinade infuses the chicken with flavor and tenderness, setting the stage for that perfect bite. Ready to take your fried chicken to the next level? Let's marinate and move on to the next step. The secret to juicy chicken: a long, luxurious buttermilk bath. Whisk buttermilk, egg, hot sauce, and salt in a bowl. Submerge your chicken pieces, making sure every bit is coated. Cover and refrigerate for at least 12 hours, 24 is even better. The buttermilk tenderizes. The flavors soak in, and patience pays off. When time's up, your chicken is primed for greatness. Flavorful, tender, and ready for its crispy coat. Don't rush this step. It's the foundation of unforgettable fried chicken. Now let's build that legendary crust. Get ready for the dredge. Here's where the crunch is born. Mix flour with your full arsenal of spices in a shallow dish. Take each marinated chicken piece, let excess drip off, and dredge thoroughly in the seasoned flour. For extra crunch, double dip back into the buttermilk, then again into the flour. This creates those signature crags and flakes. Place coated pieces on a wire rack. Don't let them touch. Let them rest for 15-20 minutes. This helps the crust stick during frying. Skipping this step risks losing that beautiful crust. Rested and ready, your chicken is set for the fryer. Let's fry. Time for the main event, frying. This is where all your preparation pays off and the magic truly happens in the kitchen. Frying isn't just about dunking food in hot oil, it's a careful dance of temperature, timing, and technique. Let's break down each step so you can master the art of crispy, golden fried chicken at home. Start by heating oil in your Dutch oven to 325 degrees or 163 degrees. Use a thermometer to keep the temperature steady. Too hot, and the outside burns before the inside cooks. Too cool, and your chicken turns greasy instead of crisp. Don't overcrowd the pot. Fry in batches for even cooking and crispiness. Giving each piece enough space ensures the oil temperature doesn't drop too much and every bite gets that signature crunch. Gently lower each chicken piece in, skin side down, to protect the delicate coating and avoid splashes. This helps the skin render and crisp up beautifully. Listen for that sizzle, the sound of crispiness in the making. That bubbling tells you the moisture is escaping, creating a crunchy crust while locking in juicy flavor. Fry each piece for 6 to 8 minutes per side, turning once until they're a deep golden brown. Flipping just once helps the crust stay intact and ensures even cooking. Check doneness with a thermometer, 165 degrees or 74 at the thickest part. This guarantees your chicken is safe to eat and perfectly juicy inside. Remove the chicken to a wire rack, not paper towels, to keep the crust crisp. Air circulation underneath prevents sogginess and preserves that irresistible crunch. Sprinkle with a pinch of salt while hot. This final touch enhances flavor and makes every bite pop. Let your chicken rest for 10 minutes so the juices redistribute. This short wait makes a big difference, keeping the meat moist and tender. The result? Perfectly crispy, juicy fried chicken crackling on the outside, tender on the inside. You did it. Now let's talk about the perfect sides to serve with your masterpiece. Great fried chicken deserves great sides. Creamy mashed potatoes and savory gravy are classic, soft, rich, and comforting. Crisp, tangy coleslaw cuts through the richness and refreshes your palate. Fluffy buttermilk biscuits are perfect for sopping up every last bit. Add a green vegetable, steamed green beans or collard greens for color and balance. These sides aren't just extras, they complete the meal. Together they turn fried chicken into a true feast. Now, let's savor your triumph. There it is, your platter of golden, crispy fried chicken. You transformed simple ingredients into something extraordinary. Plate it up with your favorite sides and take that first unforgettable bite. The crunch, the juiciness, the flavor, it's all there. This is more than a meal, it's a celebration. Share it, savor it, and know you can make it again anytime. Experiment with spices, make it your own, and keep the tradition alive. You're now a fried chicken legend in your own kitchen. Go forth and fry. Your culinary triumph awaits. You've earned every delicious bite.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.